and thanks for stopping by our channel where inspiration for creativity starts. Please feel free to like or comment on this video. And if you want to stay up to date on all our new videos, hit the subscribe button.
Day 3 of my ladybugs. Day 9 of my ladybugs. Day 14 of my ladybugs. They're in their pupa stage now. Day 17 of my ladybugs. 2 ladybugs have emerged from their pupa. One already has its spots. There's the pupa. And another one is still pink without its spots. Still waiting to dry, and then it will reveal its spots. Day 18 of my ladybugs. Day 21 of my ladybugs.